simplest ways to take notes is using the box and bullet method. This method helps you sort the information in social studies texts so you can clearly identify the main points and supporting details. The box and bullet method has two different parts. The box at the top should include the main idea of what you read. The bullet points are listed below the box and should include important details that support the main idea. When using the box and bullet method, you should read the text at least 2 times. Reading the first time helps you familiarize yourself with the information or figure out what the text is telling you. The second time you read, you should be looking for the central ideas. Ask yourself, what are the most important takeaways from this text? These go in the box at the top of your notes. Any supporting details you find on the second read-through can be listed in bullets. Longer texts may have more than one central idea or main point. When this happens, you can add additional boxes and bullets. For these longer articles, you may want to do a box and bullet setup for each paragraph. This will help you simplify a complex social studies text and break it down into only the most important parts. Taking notes, either in the box and bullet method or another style that feels comfortable, will help you stay organized